Hello and welcome to the Edexcel GCSE New Style Grades 9 through 1. This is the first paper in the foundation tier of 1MA1/1F. It's a non-calculated paper and we're picking up in question 25, which reads, in a company the ratio of the number of men to the number of women is 3 to 2. 40% of the men are under the age of 25. 10% of the women are under the age of 25. What percentage of all the people in the company are under the age of 25? I know there's a really strong temptation here to say 40% plus 10% is equal to 50%, and the answer is 50%. The first thing that should set your alarm bells going is that this question is worth 4 marks, and that's an awful lot of marks for something that looks so intuitive. That would actually be the wrong answer because it's ignoring the 3 to 2 ratio. The correct way to do it is to say 3/5 of the entire company are men, and if we multiply that by 40% of those 3/5 are under 25 males, and that will give us just straightforward multiplying fractions here. 3/5 times 40 over 100. We can cancel that down and make that 3/5 times 4/10 is equal to 12/50, and 50 is half of 100, so if we double top and bottom we get 24 out of 100, which is equal to 24%. So 24% of this entire company's workforce are under 25 males. And if we do the same for the women, in fact I'm going to put men here, under 25. Okay, if we do the same for the women, 2/5 times 10% is equal to, I'm going to double the top and bottom of that 2/5 to make it 4/10, and 10% is 10 over 100, which is 1 over 10, and then simply multiplying these, 4 times 1 is 4, 10 times 10 is 100, which is equal to 40%. So, sorry, 4%, not 40%. Actually, because I drew that 0 quite small, I can make that into a percentage. So that's 4%. So 4% of this entire company's workforce are under 25 females. So I'm going to put women and specify that they're under 25. Okay, so if 4% of the women are under 25 and 24% of the men are under 25, then 24 plus 4 is 28, so 28% of the entire company's workforce are under 25. The reason it's not 50% is because that ignores that ratio of 3 to 2. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.